Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Galanda Brooker, and my project management journey started unofficially with the Maryland Department of Transportation, where I actually was an engineer and somehow ended up in a leadership position when another team member went out ill. And so I started doing some project management there as part of the team. My official journey began with the Department of State in Washington, D.C., where I led several projects throughout the Department of State. It's a huge division. So could be in the passport office, could be any number of things. So I managed a lot of projects within the Department of State. That leveraged over to also working with CMS and Medicaid and Medicare in the Baltimore area. So the majority of my project management experience is with federal government. I have some experience with some smaller organizations, but generally with federal government within a specific department or a set of departments. Um, I enjoy the process of kind of maybe working with the difficult people, which is opposite of most project managers. They don't really like to do that. But I have a pretty calm demeanor. So I don't mind working with them. It doesn't bother me too much. Um, I like to work with smaller organizations and really just help them streamline their processes and use technology more effectively. So being able, because I have been on both the engineer implementer side as well as the business side, and I also teach higher ed, I have a unique kind of combination of skills that makes it easier, I think, for me to be able to help people implement their issues and feel good about their project management and their project process. So that's my background. And currently I live in Ghana and I'm exploring options here. I don't really know what the direction is quite yet, but I'm checking it out and see what shows up.